Fashion is not something that exists in dresses only. Fashion is in the sky, in the street. Fashion has to do with ideas, the way we live, what is happening. Kokoshina. My name is Kuthwil.
It felt like we had never met. It's like the sunset in your eyes. I never wanted to rise. What have you done with the one I love? When I look into your eyes, I see no surprise. I always thought it was sad, the way we act like strangers after all that we had. We act like we had never met.
We make believe. I've never seen your face, you need them. Don't catch my eye.